in high temperature installation department, or if you work in refractory cement or steel plant industry, feel free to join us. You will find some surprise products with amazing prices here. So I'm Alva from CNBN.
I'm Alice.
Cool. So today our agenda includes two parts. The first one is we're going to share with you some samples, especially for you. And later we're going to talk about our slides to introduce more products for reference.
So let's begin?
Sure.
Okay. The first one is ceramic fiber blanket. You can see this.
Right.
And Alva, do you know what the features of the blanket is?
The blanket, right? Yeah, yes. Good question. So the blanket is actually used in many different applications, and the main features of it is that it has low thermal conductivity, it has high tensile strength, and resilient to thermal shock. And the most important thing is that it has the corrosion resistance. It's very important.
Okay, very good.
Right.
And what's the main applications?
What's the main application?
Yes.
Okay. It actually has been, applied in many different areas. For example, we have electrical insulator and also heat seals for tin car and furnace door, and also high temperature acoustic, and also the fire protection. Yeah, it's very widely applied.
Yes. And what's the normal standards?
Okay, the normal standard.
Yes.
So we have three main standards. This one is, as you can see here, is HP, right? And this is actually HP. We have also STD, and another one is HC, I believe. Right. The main differences between these three different specifications is the temperature. For example, for STD and HP, the temperature is like 1,260. Yeah, Celsius degree. But for the HC, it's a little bit higher. It's like 1,430 Celsius degrees.
Yes.
Right.
Okay, Alva.
Right.
And then let's talk about our ceramic fiber board.
Sure. Okay, so this is the board.
Yeah, this is the board.
Right.
The same question. What are the features?
What are the features? Yeah, very good question. So it's actually really similar to the blanket, but one special feature for this blanket, for the board, is that it has the low heat storage, and also it has resistance to most chemical attacks. So which means this is very strong and easy to use sometimes.
Okay. And the classifications of temperature?
Okay, the classification is also same as the blanket. We have STD and HC. And the main differences between these two is also the temperature. For STD, is 1,260 Celsius degree, but for HC, it's like 1,430 Celsius degrees.
Okay, the samples we have one is HC.
Right. Here, this is HC, and this
one
is STD.
The size is 25.
Yeah, it's 25 millimeter. It's 25 millimeter, and this one is 300 millimeter.
Okay.
Right.
Okay. This one is also
this one is also the same size, but you can see. I don't know whether you can see it. The color is a little bit different. This is a little bit yellow. Yeah, this is a little bit yellow because they use different raw materials, so the color will seems a little bit different. Right.
Okay.
Sorry.
The next one is ceramic fiber module.
Right. Module.
Oh, here. Heavy.
It's very heavy.
Yes, you can see it's folding. Can you see? Yeah. Okay.
Well, this is module, but actually it's made of ceramic blanket. They made of this one. There are a lot of different ways to make this kind of module, and this one is actually folded, which means they fold several blankets together and to make this module.
Yes.
Yeah, it's very heavy.
Do you know what is this?
Oh, what is it? That's a very good question. You can see here, it's called anchor to fix this module, and it's made of 304 and 310 stainless steel to make this one. And as you can see, this shape little bit very interesting. It's like a butterfly. So
Yeah.
we call it butterfly anchor.
Butterfly anchor, right?
Butterfly anchor. Okay. Sorry.
The classification is the
The
same with the blanket?
Yeah, it's just the same with blanket. We have STD and HP and HC, the three main different specifications.
Too heavy.
Yeah, it's very heavy. Here we go, the ceramic fiber paper, right?
Yeah. Different forms.
Right, this is paper. So there are actually different features for the paper. For example, it's easy to cut, to wrap, and to form because, yeah, you can see it's not very thick. It's easy to cut or easy to wrap. And also, sometimes it has the low heat storage. It's very, very easy to use sometimes.
Okay, and the classification?
The classification, we have two main classifications. First one is STD, and another one is HC, also the HC. And the main differences is also the temperature. For STD, it's like 1,260 Celsius degree, and for the HC is 1,430 Celsius degree.
Okay, right. Okay, good. So let's talk about our bulk refractory fiber.
Right, this is bulk refractory fiber. It's kind of like a raw material to make the blanket. We have two different kinds of bulk refractory fibers. The first one is bound fiber, and the second one is blow fiber. Do you know the differences between these two?
I don't know. Please tell me.
Thank you. Okay, so for the blow fiber, it's used to in selling products, right? And but for the spun ceramic fiber, it's used in to make some blanket like this. Yeah, the blanket is made from this bulk fibers. Yeah, so this is kind of like raw materials, and it's very useful too.
Okay, okay.
Right.
Okay, thanks, Alba.
Sure, no problem.
And wow, what's this? It is really different of the previous one.
Right. We may make it higher. So this shape is a little bit from all this because it's called vacuum form shape, which means that it's not like a standard shape, like some paper shape or tapo shape, tube shapes. So it can be specially custom made. So if you guys have any preference in the shape, you can tell me, and you can tell Alicia. We can make something any shape you want. So yeah, it's very interesting, right?
Yes, very interesting.
Right.
And
so yeah, these are actually all the samples we have here. And now we're gonna move to the next part. We will let's talk about our slides and introduce more products for you guys. Right.
It's for products for what industries?
Okay, it's products for metallurgical, and actually, I will introduce all these products in English, and my colleague Alicia, she will speak in Spanish. So it's like a bilingual introduction. You guys will have a very well learning of our products. So here we go.
Okay.
Sure. Okay. Okay. Okay, so this is the first product. We call it mold crystallizer. Also, we can call it mold tube. It's mainly used for the still water coming down, and it helps to make it to make into different shapes.
Yes.
Yeah, very shapes. And sometimes we make it into slab copper mold crystallizer, and we also have rectangle copper mold crystallizer and round or billet or some stuff like that.
Yes.
Very interesting. The second thing we have here is roller. We have guide roller, backup roller. It's different size. And we have oxygen lens. Yeah. It's used in like steel mills or some industry like that. And it's two-year. Two-year is very interesting. It's used in blast furnace air blasting system. And we actually have different materials of it. Sometimes we have copper, sometimes we have cuprin. Yeah. And the hardness is usually about like 45, so yeah, it's very strong. So this one is converter flue duct. It's very easy to maintain, and also the long service life is around 6 to 9 months. And this is we call dust collector. It's used to collect all the dust, yeah, from the factory. It's very useful sometimes. And it's called expansion below. Well, we actually have different types of expansion below. We have TNY, TJX, TDL, or etc. All these are different, but they also used to expand in the steel plants.
Yes.
Okay, so this we call mud gun and also tap hole drilling machine. So this is the whole picture of our sinter plants. The main equipment will be used in sinter plants is like sintering pallet, grate bar, screening plate. We will introduce in details later for all these products. Okay, so for the screening plate, we actually use different materials. For example, we have casting stainless screening plate. We have elastic rod screening plate. Also, we have ceramic tube screening plate. And also, the last one is PE, right? PE screening plate. Okay, so here we have different ceramic wearing resistant liner. It's very, like, you can use it for a very long time. And also ceramic rubber composite liner, also PE liner. Oh, okay.
So belt conveyors,
right,
for transport,
conveyor,
right?
For transport in the steel plants, right? And we have different materials like nylon, EP, or acid, alkaline. These are the different materials, or they're used in different applications. So this is the detailed introduction of EP conveyor belt. If you guys are interested in this certain product, feel free to contact us and just click the maybe links below and you can reach our customer service for help. Okay, yeah, so this is heat resistance conveyor belt. Okay. And yeah, this is anthracite carbon. And this is fluorite. And it is electrodes. Well, one thing I have to mention is that, as we all know, the price of electrodes, just fluctuate every day.
Yes.
Right, every day. So if you want to know the exact or the current price for the electrode, you have to maybe ask for your supplier in time, very in time, because it changes every day. Okay, this is bricate. Bricate.
Oh, right. Magnesium.
Yeah. Magnesium. Okay, so let's move to second part is refractory. Yeah, this is also the different materials that used for the refractory products. For example, we have tape hole clay, we have torpedo ladle, throw, and mixer.
Yes.
Okay, so this is hot blast furnace pipeline, right?
And these are the refractory materials that we can provide for the installation for the pipeline.
Right, we can definitely provide this product. And this is ceramic cup tuer. It's also used in iron industry, right?
Yes.
Widely used in this kind of industry. And this is slide gate slag control system. This kind of system is used to collect this slag, right? And this is converter lining. This is steel ladle because we use a lot this kind of steel ladle and flow control system in steel industry, right? And according to different fire steel grade and production process, designing the ladle lining bricks such as like what I said before, this kind of
magnesia,
carbon bricks and the water or something like that. Very useful. Right? And this is flow control system, like what I said before.
Tundish.
Okay, yeah, it's tundish and RH. Okay.
And the third part.
Yeah, the third part is cement blend.
The vertical mill.
Right. Okay, let me flash back. Okay, so this is our vertical roller mill.
We have different types.
Yeah, different types. The first one is TRM vertical mill, and the other one is roll mill.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so this one is slag mill, and the one in the middle is
cement
mill. Yeah, thank you. And the last one is coal mill, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, so this is roll sleeve, and another one is grinding roller.
Grinding roller.
Yeah, grinding roller is a little bit different because it's used for grinding raw materials, right?
Yeah, totally right.
Yeah. Yeah, so all this stuff like that.
Rotary kiln section. Can you flash back?
Yeah. Yeah, this is rotary kiln section.
Yes, this is the shell. The red one is the shell.
Mm-hmm. The red one is shell, right?
The shell for the rotary kiln.
For rotating, right? For the rotating. And this is roller and roller shaft.
And this one is reading ring.
Yeah, it's reading ring. Okay, this is lantern gill.
And this one is roller.
Okay. Yeah, so all these different kinds of some equipment or refractory that you can use in the cement plant.
Yeah, such as dedusting equipment.
Dedusting equipment, sure, and also some for grinding production or stuff like that. Okay, so the last one is magnetic pump.
Bomba.
Yeah, bomb.
Sorry, Espanol.
Yes. So, okay, so this is the English introduction for you guys. If you feel interested or you want to know more, you can feel free to contact us. So later I will let my colleague Alicia to speak in Spanish.
Okay, thanks, Albert.
Okay.
弄到最后前面那个 ，Can we flashback？ 从开头。这个字有点。OK。Hola a todos, soy Alicia. Entonces ahora hago presentación en español de los productos que abastecimos para la industria metalúrgica y cementero. Primero, metalúrgica. Este producto se llama módulo de cobre. Hay diferentes formas. Se puede ver en esta foto. Principalmente son de placa, rectángulos, bilis y redondo. Este producto es rodillo. Principalmente se usan para la laminación en frío y caliente. Y los materiales para fabricar rodillo son acero fundido, acero forjado y cálculo. Cálculo es especialmente para hacer los anillos pequeños. Y este producto es pistola de oxígeno. Es ventilación para blast furnace. Y aquí se escribe la aplicación, el material, la dureza y la conductividad térmico de este producto. Aquí vamos la topología de hornos. Es colector de polvos. Se usan para proteger el medio ambiente en las industrias. Aquí este producto se llama tubo de expansión. Tenemos diferentes tipos como TNY, TGL, TGX, etc. Este producto es, en inglés, es mud gun and tap hole drilling machine. Do you know what the application is?
What's the application for tap hole?
Yeah.
No.
For this product, for this machine.
I know a little bit, but can you explain to me?
Okay.
Yeah.
Es para en español.
Okay.
Es para cuando el líquido de acero sale del horno, se usa para sacar y tapar la boca. Sí. Es el uso de esta máquina.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Estas son las placas de filtro y se puede ver, tenemos diferentes placas de filtro en diferentes materiales. Aquí son las placas para resistente de corrosión en diferentes materiales como cerámico y PU. Yes. Aquí vamos en la parte de transportadores para las industrias metalúrgicas. Se llama transportadores de bandas y hay diferentes materiales como nylon, EP, resistente térmico.
Right.
Y este es transportador de bandas de EP. Es diferente materia prima. Este es resistente de térmico. Este producto se llama antracita, carbón. También podemos abastecer fluorita, electrodos de grafito y do you know the dimensions we have for the electrodes?
Dimensions?
Yes, the diameter and the length.
Okay, I know we have different sizes like 500, 400, and 300.
Yes.
Maybe you can explain in detail for us?
Yes. Sí. El rango de diámetro de electrodos que podemos ofrecer es desde 200 milímetros hasta 700 milímetros. En pulgadas son 8 hasta 26 pulgadas. Y el largo es 1.8 hasta 2.4 metros. Y el grado, the grade of electro, es muy importante. Las clases que podemos abastecer son NRP, HP, SHP y UHP. Y exportamos electrodos en los países, principalmente exportamos electrodos a los países latinoamericanos como México, Chile y Brasil.
Very good to know.
Yes. Este producto es briquetas de magnesio y el contenido de magnesio que podemos hacer es mayor que 600%. Y vamos a la segunda parte, refractarios. Podemos abastecer todos materiales refractarios para tipo clay, camioneta de torpedo y mixtor. Los materiales en detalles pueden ver en esta foto. Aquí son los materiales refractarios para hot blast furnace, las tuberías de hot blast furnace, como las moléculas, los piradores rojos. Ceramic cup. Ok, esta es la gate para el sistema de control de escoria. Cuchara de, sí, cuchara de acero, sorry. Sí, también podemos ofrecer los refractarios como magnesia carbón, ladrillos de magnesia carbón para cucharas. Aquí son flow, sistema de control. Y RH materiales para estos equipos. Y ahora vamos a la industria de cemento.
Yeah, this actually the different systems.
Yes, las fotos anteriores son principalmente son las los molinos de rodillo verticales y hay diferentes tipos como para materia prima, para escoria, para cemento, para coques. Y estos dos productos son rollo de manga y rollo de molienda. Es para moler materiales. Estos productos son, sí, también para cementos. Y ahora estamos abasteciendo estas pilolas a diferentes países. Podrían ver las fotos derecho. Son dos pilolas que fabricamos en marzo de este año. Y aquí van los repuestos para los hornos de cemento. Esto se llama rodillo y eje y esto es reading ring. Rodillo. Okay. Todos estos son productos, son repuestos para la industria de cemento. Principalmente son rompedores y sistema para ayudar a quitar los polvos. También hay unas bombas.
Right. So this is all products that we have for this industry.
Sí, es todo para las industrias metalúrgicas y cementos.
Right. If you are interested and you have some questions about all the samples here, and of course all the products in our slides, just feel free to contact us and reach our customer service. We will be really happy to help you out 7/24 hours. Right.
Bienvenidos a preguntarnos sobre cualquier duda, cualquier producto.
Right. You can just click our links below and reach our website, official website, and also our customer service for help. We'll be waiting for you.
Okay, thanks guys.
Thank you. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye-bye.